Under the leadership of the country's current Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is once again going to sit at the top of the World Assembly. State Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah said this while speaking at a function organized on the occasion of 28th Foundation Day of Bhavans, Tripura, Vidyamandir and Gandhi Jayanti in the capital on Monday. The 28th Foundation Day and Gandhi Jayanti of Bhavans, Tripura, Vidyamandir and Narshingar in the capital was celebrated on Monday. State Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah was present as the chief guest at the function organized at Bhavans, Tripura, Vidyamandir. The chief guest laid the foundation stone of the Saraswati temple at Bhavans, Tripura, Vidyamandir before the start of the ceremony. Addressing the function, the Chief Minister said that under the leadership of the country's current Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is once again going to sit at the top of the World Assembly.
I am extremely happy to be present in Bhavans, Tripura. At the outset, I congratulate and thank all of you on the 28th Foundation Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Already my previous speakers have put down the history of Bhavans, Tripura, how it has been set up in Tripura. We know that the Bhavans, Tripura is a state of art in Tripura. We already heard that thousands of students have passed from this school and established in different fields in abroad, the country and state as well. These institutions have already earned the name and fame of our state across the state and the country. I am extremely enjoyed the different kinds of cultural activity performed by our beloved students of this institution. This is the first time that I have come here over here because of your invitation. For this again I give my thanks. And our Honorable Prime Minister always says that the future of the country will be in the hands of those who will have value-based education and which have been provided by the revered teachers of this institution. You know, by the grace of our God, that our country, when it was Akhanda Bharat, was protected by seas in three sides, and on the north side it was protected by the Himalaya. But the beautiful India was rooted by foreigners like Mughals and British. We know that once upon a time the students come to India for their study, and even for treatment also they used to come to India. So these things in G20 our Honorable Prime Minister has put down among all the leaders of the country. And he also mentioned that under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, India is again placed the position of Vishwaguru. You have seen G20, when I was also one of the delegates over there. I have seen how the leaders of the country have appreciated our Honorable Prime Minister. And you know that I am also a teacher of a medical college. I know the relation of the teacher and students. And here the river teachers are here. But we know that before we enter the class, we usually be prepared Dr. Mukudi is also here. And we do not underestimate the students. They also know more than us sometimes. Because of this internet, although we have books, they have studied, even though the new edition they have seen from the social media. So before you enter the class, the teacher also should get prepared that any question may come from the students. And as a teacher, we should not understand.
Further, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah said that state government is also working hard to stop the private tuitions taught by the school teachers. Other than Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, AMC Mayor Deepak Majumdar was also present. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.